Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to try to fry up some diced green tomatoes on the Blackstone Griddle. Yes, it is 90 degrees outside, but the heat index makes it feel like it's 102. So it's hot outside, but I had still rather go outside, cook my meal that don't take that long, instead of heating up my kitchen more to make my air conditioning work harder. So, I've never really flour battered anything to fry on the griddle. Usually when you deep frying or frying tomatoes and stuff, it takes a lot of grease and stuff. So we're going to try it. It's just me and Ricky eating them, so I just have two. These are out of our garden. When I am frying them, of course I get the green ones, but I like to get one that's just about to start turning to ripe. Has a good flavor to it, and it still won't be all that juicy. Now a lot of people just, slice their tomatoes and just fry them as slices. I don't like to do that. I just dice mine up fairly thick and fry them that way. And see, they're starting to get real juicy when they start to turn. That's why I make sure I do have just a fully green tomato too to help with that, because we don't want it to be really juicy. So let me get mine diced up, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, I have my green tomatoes diced up. Now, I'm not quite ready to fry them. I will be in just a minute. So I don't want to batter them right yet. So I'm going to let these sit, and some of the juice will come out. I'll drain it. I could salt it if I wanted more to come out, but I'm not going to do that. So I'll drain what little bit came out of the tomatoes, but I'll bring you back when I go to season it up and batter it. It'll be right when I'm getting my griddle ready. So now I'm ready to season it, and I'm going to use some pink Himalayan salt that I have. You can use whatever seasonings that you like. Now somebody had asked me on one of my other videos, could I tell the difference of the pink Himalayan salt? I said no, but now that I've been using it more, yes, I can. You don't need as much, and it has like a real good salt flavor. But I'm putting some black pepper on there. And I'm going to put just a little bit of onion powder on there. Now you could chop up an onion and put you some chopped onion in there. Sometimes if I get a lot of okra and I'm frying it, I'll chop up some green tomato and put on there. And that's real good fried together. Now mix that up before I start coating it. Now I do like to use just a little bit of cornmeal on these, but the main thing will be the flour. So just a little bit of cornmeal. Now I'll put just enough flour to coat it. I've got my griddle heating up, and this ain't the only thing I'm frying on my griddle. I've got some more potatoes out there, and I'm going to fry my husband some salmon fillets out there. So cooking my whole meal except my fresh purple whole peas that we picked from the garden that I'm cooking. And that looks good, and I'll meet you outside. Now my griddle's good and hot, but I did turn down this side to low, and I am going to put a good bit of oil down at first. A lot of that will drain off. Spread it out. You didn't see much of that, but there it is. Now I'll bring you back when I'm ready to turn it. Okay, I can tell this has gotten browned over here, so I am going to turn it. And if it needs to get just a little bit more softer, I can always take my cover and cover it up just for a minute or two to kind of help with that. Okay, I'm going to turn it again. And so far it's not sticking. And sometimes it almost sticks together like you're doing little what you call fritters or whatever. But again, that's how I like it. The next time I might find, when I can find some okra at a good sale, I'll get some and try frying it up out here. So if there's any requests that you would like to see me cook out here and something that I can or think that I can, just let me know. And I already have hoagies on the list. Somebody requested hoagies, so I have that on the list. So I was afraid, because I've never really cooked anything battered with flour out here, but it's not sticking or anything. So that is a good thing. So that opens the door to me cooking some more things. Maybe with the batter to it. So you just cook these to your desired doneness. These are almost done. They're getting nice and browned, and the heat is on low. So it's not on high. I did let it heat up on high. And I did cook the potatoes for a while before I brought these out here. So these are about ready to take up, and didn't take long at all. I still like them a little crunchy. Not all mushy. And for our supper, we're having some fresh corn on the cob. And Ricky's having his salmon. And we have some fresh tomato to chop up. So anyway, let me try the green tomato for you. It's so good. It's got a little bit of a crunch to it. Again, if you want it softer, you can always cover it. I was afraid with it being like a sticky, gooey flour batter on there that it might stick real bad. It didn't stick at all. Didn't take no time to cook. And it's delicious. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.